Hi guys, welcome back to Burning Cereal. If you've forgotten, my name's Nico. I'm here today to show you my version of a Monte Cristo breakfast sandwich. Rusty doesn't like it because it has egg in it, but we're still gonna make it anyways. Okay, to get started with this recipe, you're gonna need brioche sliced bread. We're gonna dip this in a batter of eggs, heavy cream, cinnamon, and nutmeg, cornflakes, and then for the sandwich part, you're gonna need Swiss, ham. We're using strawberry jelly, but you can use any jelly you'd like, and bacon. And again, you can use pre-cooked bacon or you can cook it, whichever's easiest for you. And then garnish it with some powdered sugar. We're gonna throw this all together. It's gonna be easy as. Okay, we're gonna start with cracking our eggs into a bowl. We're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm gonna use 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. You can use more, you can use less. This is just what we are going with. Now add 2 cups of cream. We're gonna whisk this all together. Okay, so I forgot to mention earlier, but in a skillet, we're gonna throw butter in. Crush up our cornflakes. Okay, so we're gonna dip our bread into the batter. Dip it in the cornflakes. Into our pan. So you're gonna set your temperature to a medium high, and you're gonna cook them 3 to 4 minutes each side or until golden brown. You want the bread to still feel kind of wet. Okay, so next we're gonna cook our egg. Now you're gonna want to scramble this, but kind of try to keep it all together. Put this onto our sandwich. Okay, so at Rusty's house, we always have just sheet trays of bacon cooked. So we have bacon pre-cooked. We have all our ingredients now, and now we're gonna start building the sandwich. So you can do this any way that you want. It doesn't have to be exactly the way that I put it together. The only thing I do suggest is putting the cheese on the opposite side from the egg, and ham, top of egg, and your bacon in a crisscross pattern. We're gonna top it Now we're gonna throw it into a broiler for 3 minutes aside. Okay, before we get to this step, let's make sure that we preheat our broiler. And then we're gonna throw this in here for 3 to 4 minutes. There really should be a cool, better handle on there. Okay, so now that we've cooked this, let's pull it out and see how it looks. I mean, I think it looks amazing. Let's cut this up and give it a try. Okay, so we've garnished it with the powdered sugar. Now we have our strawberry jelly. You can either dip it or you can spoon it on, whichever you prefer. I'm gonna spoon it on. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So personally, this is my favorite breakfast sandwich. I love the flavors you get from the crispy texture of the cornflakes on the bread to the Swiss cheese and the bacon and ham. You can use whatever jelly you like. I like strawberry, so that's what we went with. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, ring the bell, and we'll see you guys next time.